Hello guys, in today's video I will be introducing a new feature that I have added to the Liquidity Trader EA, which is for manual traders. So this will help a lot in entering the trade, and you don't have to worry about calculating the stop loss and the target if you are trading based on risk to reward ratio. So this is the new feature here. You activate it when you go to the EA. You will find it here. So here it's now true, activated. If we put it to false, we will not see it. So if we want to move it, for example, to the sides of the screen, you can change the horizontal position and the vertical position. So let's say if we want to put it on the left side of the screen. So this is there. I prefer to have it in the middle. It's easier for me. Okay, so you can have any position you want and it's comfortable to trade. Now when we will take trades with this, it will automatically calculate the lot size based on the risk per trade that we put here. So here is 0.1, so it's 0.1%, and it will automatically put the target as well based on the reward to risk ratio. So if we want to have like 8 reward to risk ratio, we can put it like this. And also it will calculate the stop loss based on the stop loss method we use. So if we want to use the high or the low of the candle before the like the last candle, we can put 1. If we want to use the highest of the last 2 candles for a sell or the lowest of the last 2 candles for a buy, we put 2. Now let's see, for example, what it can do. Now just let's scan the market. If we want to put it on a chart, it's better not to have the symbol changer on the same chart. Just put 2 charts next to each other because it will make it slow. They are conflicting with each other. So this is a third party and it's not like the best, it's not compatible on the same chart, but you can put them on different charts and it will be okay. So let's just check, for example, if there are any trades that we can enter now, just to show how it works. So yeah, let's just AUD USD is going up. So let's just AUD USD. So let's say we want to buy, we just press the buy. It will automatically put our entered here at market. This is our stop loss and this is our target based on what we entered. Now let's say, for example, we don't want that high target. We want 1 to 3. We can just set it to 1 to 3 and enter it again. And as you can see, the second trade had automatically calculated the 1 to 3 risk to reward ratio. Okay, so this is a very helpful tool that I have added to Liquidity Trader. You can use, and you will find a lot of value in it. Let's see some examples of trades that that have been going. Like if somebody is watching the market in live, he could have found value, like he could have traded them. Okay, let's check, for example, here. Now let's say, for example, as you know, the original method is you have to wait for the Camarella levels and all this stuff. But let's say, for example, you saw this pattern here. It took liquidity from before the session started, and you wanted to take a trade here and see what you want to do. So for example, with this trade here, as you can see, after the candle formed, changed from the color, changed from yellow to blue, you wanted to enter the trade because it took the liquidity and it formed this Heiken-Ashi reversal. So as you can see, these trades are very frequent. This is a 1 to 9. And when they happen, you don't want to be wasting time trying to calculate how much is a 0.1 risk going to be, and where you should put your stop loss, and where you should put your target. So this is why I developed this new feature, so to help you do these calculations very quick. Because when the market starts moving fast, you will not have the time to find these trades. Another one I have added is an indicator. It's liquidity signals. So the liquidity signals to it's instant FX filtered by Heiken Ashi. So instant FX by Heiken Ashi. So what this will do, as you will see, it will filter the Heiken Ashi indicator only to give signals when it has the candle that we are interested in has been preceded by a candle of a different Heiken Ashi color. So when there's a change in color and there's an instant FX signal, that it will launch, as you can see here, here, here. So these are like helpful, like also here yesterday. So you can see that these are helpful in trying to capture more opportunities in the market. And they are all worth taking the risk. As you see, this was 9, it reached the target. This is the same, reached the target. So we had a lot of, if you do the 1 to 8 risk to reward ratio on these trades, we had a lot of opportunities. Yesterday, for example, this one, also 1 to 8, 1 to 9, yeah. So lots of opportunities. Now, if you want to calculate every for each of these trades, if you want to calculate everything, it will be too much time consuming, you know, and you will make a lot of mistakes. Now, let's say, for example, you had like here several trades. Now here we had like on the AUD USD, we had a trade. Now let's say we have a lot of trades. We want to take like several trades, and they will all be just 0.1% risk to reward ratio. So we have a lot, okay? So we can take 10. We know that the maximum risk will be just 1%. Like this, if the market will go in our direction, we know that, for example, here I have how many trades? So I took here just an example. Okay, I took a lot of trades. So yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 trades. So in these 15 trades, I'm just risking 1.5% of the account, okay, on 15 trades. And it's automatically done everything for me, calculated the stop loss, calculated the target profit where I want. And now if I want to wait, for example, that I will see here like a profit that I want to take, I can just close all these 15 trades with one click. So this click on this bottom will close. I will just close them now just to show you how it works. And it will automatically close all the trades. Okay, as you can see, it's closing them. So this is closing all the trades. Okay, it's just sometimes some brokers are faster than the others. So as you see, one click, you don't have to do it manual. It will close for you all the trades. So I hope you like this new feature, and I will update you more in new videos.